Where are we going?
Italy.
Where have we been?
Everywhere.
24 hours. Still going. Mike's ready for wine.
Yeah.
Carrie is ready for an antique store. Here we go. We were in Mercantino, which is the antique store, and I saw this beautiful dresser, and I'm like, I need that for the bathroom. And you're like, for what? And I said,
for what?
For vanity. It will look so beautiful to put the sink on top of it. So, was that like a big project?
Wasn't. I mean,
two projects. You had to cut the vanity.
I think the biggest project, honestly, the biggest part of the project was getting it from Mercantino to the house.
We were in a little rental car, so it didn't fit, but we fit it.
And then,
so the biggest part was?
The biggest part was getting it to the house. We got it, somehow got it to fit in the car, and then got it from the car to the house. And after that, it was just, cutting, mapping out the plumbing, and...
So was the plumbing hard,
No.
It wasn't?
I don't know. I've done plumbing, so...
Is the plumbing different than in America?
No, it is not.
So electric is, plumbing's not?
Correct. The electric is different. It's got its different aspects, but the plumbing is literally the same. It's the same fittings.
But I remember that day you were having an issue with something. Was it like a fitting?
Yes, okay, so you have to go from a new sink to a very old exit pipe. So it was matching those two pieces up that I think I went back to Casa about 2 or 3 times before I was finally able to get the right piece.
And it has not, like...
No, there's been no leaks. No leaks at all. We actually...
Now I'm waiting for water.
Ready?
Go for it. Oh, God. A lot of noise, but no water. Oh God. There's no leaking. Gotta have the wine. Antique Bureau. Go in there. No leaks. The prettiest view.
Actually, it's a functioning vanity because...
Well, that's why I wanted it.
Yeah, so that obviously we lose the top drawer because that's where the sink comes down into the plumbing, but the second and third drawers are perfectly functioning.
Towels, toiletries, so see?
It came out great. No, it did.
It looks beautiful.
Again, it's my fault because 99.9% of the time when Carrie says, hey, this would look great, or I think we could do this with that, and then I question it, and I'm like, I don't know that we can do that. And then,
yeah, we can.
And then we do it, and then I look at it, and I'm like, wow, that actually looks really freaking good.
Yeah.
So, as I get older, and we'll be 25 years in December, at some point I will stop questioning her and just freaking do it.
No, we won't.
No.
No, but you should be proud of all the projects and all the.
Of course. Yeah, I mean, we've done a lot. Again, I say we've done so much in that house.
So, that's that.
That's that.
So,
Until next time.
we hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Well, thanks for watching.
Ciao.
Ciao. Where are we going, Mike?
I would drag a giant couch down the cobblestone path.
Pack my bags and close the door. Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the street. canals where gondolas glide. Beyond the city, my secret